Hello friends,
Hello, namaste. मेरा नाम है रीना
my name is Amir,
and welcome to our channel.
Life with Russian Wife. So friend, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं हम काफ़ी दिनों से कहीं बाहर घूमने भी नहीं गए हैं। हम दिल्ली में ही हैं काफ़ी टाइम से। लेकिन आज हमने डिसाइड करा है कि हम दूसरी सिटी एक्सप्लोर करेंगे।
Where?
गुड़गांव।
Can you imagine? Gurgaon is different city. I always thought it is continuation of Delhi, but not. It's different state and different city.
लेकिन अगर जिनको पता नहीं है बता दूं, गुड़गांव काफ़ी मॉडर्नाइज्ड हो गया है अब पहले से। काफ़ी हाई फाई बिल्डिंग है।
It is really like another world. It's not like India at all.
और आज हमारी गेट टुगेदर है, हमारे फ्रेंड से हम मिलेंगे, बात बात करेंगे और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग प्लेस है जिसका नाम है
What is
एरो
the
सिटी।
place?
एरो सिटी।
Wow, it sounds like air, city.
या सो एरो लाइक इट्स नियर टू द एयरपोर्ट और काफ़ी खूबसूरत सिटी बना रखी है। हमने एक्सप्लोर नहीं करी अभी तक, लेकिन आज टाइम है हमारे पे एक्सप्लोर करने का।
So let's watch because I also will see it for the first time with my own eyes. It feels like it will be an amazing day.
सो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर।
Let's go faster.
लेट्स गो।
Let's go.
सो दोस्तों फाइनली हम गुड़गांव की तरफ जा रहे हैं और रोड गुड़गांव का बहुत ही अच्छा है। नेशनल हाईवे बना रखा है, एकदम क्लीन और काफ़ी चौड़ा रोड है। सो आपको भी मज़ा आएगा जब आप गुड़गांव जाएंगे। आपको फील आएगी कि आप कोई दूसरी सिटी जा रहे हैं जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा डेवलप्ड है, जिसको साइबर सिटी भी बोलते हैं, साइबर सिटी। और वहाँ का व्यू तो भाई एकदम लाजवाब, जैसे कि आप सिंगापुर और दुबई में हो। सो देखिए, आपको दिखाते हैं आगे कैसा रोड। फाइनली हम आ चुके हैं एरो सिटी में और बहुत ही खूबसूरत यहाँ पे होटल्स हैं और सिटी इज़ लाइक वंडरफुल। मेरे को तो मज़ा आ गया। और फाइनली हम जा रहे हैं होटल में जिसका नाम है अलोफ्ट। सो देखिए कैसा होटल है, दिखने में तो अच्छा लग रहा है। एंड फाइनली हम अपने होटल आ चुके हैं। अलोफ्ट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मैरियट, लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल। एंड दिस इज़ आवर रूम 702। ओपन। Let's go and check.
Welcome.
Welcome. Oh wow.
Check. How do you like it?
Oh, so beautiful room.
Yeah.
और इतनी बड़ी बड़ी windows and this is our
It smells
bed.
so lovely, friends. It looks really nice and it's little bit echoing, but fragrance is very lovely here and it looks fresh and clean.
चलो देखते हैं कि बाहर का व्यू कैसा है विंडो से। इरीना, open the
Yeah, I will definitely open.
curtain. Oh,
So ready?
ready.
Wow.
Oh
It's a
wow.
whole field. It's airport field. It's like a runway or what? It looks like a runway over there.
Yeah, so airport का
Oh,
runway है because ये
lovely.
होटल एयरपोर्ट के पास है। So
Yeah, friends, that's lovely. I have never stayed so close by to the airports. It looks amazing.
so Irina, do you like
And
the
they
hotel?
have complimentary fruits and small chocolates as well. Check, guys. You know I'm a chocolate lover. I will definitely try it. You want some?
Yeah, definitely complimentary. Who doesn't want to try? Tasty.
Fruits and nuts, not bad.
All right, so we have complimentary here. Water bottles, 3 water bottles हैं और साथ में फेस मास्क एंड हैंड क्लींजिंग वाइप्स। ओके, पूरा सैनिटाइजेशन
During
कर
the
रहे हैं।
corona, you have to protect yourself. So, nice touch.
या कैटल भी है यहाँ पे कॉफ़ी और चाय बनाने के लिए। And the best thing friends, इसमें है कुछ hidden.
Can you imagine, guys? They have glasses for all types of drinks, even wine glass.
Wow. So glass लाने की जरूरत नहीं है भाई, अगर आपको पीने का शौक है तो.
And one more, they have small hidden
Refrigerator.
Oi, oi.
Not opening.
Opening.
Oh.
Check. Till now it's empty, but you can bring whatever beverages you feel like and cool it down. Lovely.
Nice. So यहाँ पे सारी चीज़ equipped है रूम में. So you do not need to bring anything separate.
Yes, and I believe that if you want to get rid of daily routine, want to relax for 1-2 days, 1 day is even enough, you can easily come here, stay in this hotel and enjoy without any extra disturbance. Drink, eat, sleep and enjoy the planes coming down. And let me show you the bathroom.
Okay, show. All right.
Wow, so big mirror.
Yay.
So friends, have a look. They have like this type of soap dispensers, small hand towels, vanity kits, dental kits, everything whatever you need. But the finishing is so nice, and plus they have a regular soap as well. There is one more mirror. Yay! You can make so many selfies.
Yeah.
And let me show you the main bathroom. It's quite small if to compare with the they're telling that they are 5-star, but to be honest, bathroom size is like little bit too small, right? Although it's clean and neat. And the shower cabin is also nice and lovely. You see, they also have like shampoos and all, maybe body gel or something. It looks lovely.
But cute looking.
Cute, yes, but it's too compact according to me.
Okay.
Right? It looks nice, but little bit compact. Alright, so anyways, and here they have also hair dryers, safety deposit box, and see what they found.
Oh, torch. Nice.
Nice. And one more good point, they have slippers. You do not need to worry about carrying your own. You can wear the here ones locals. Nice. And of course they have shoe shine and all these things, so it's very good touch. Because most of the hotels, whenever you go, you do not know what to expect. But 4-5-star hotels always have these things.
And what is the wardrobe?
And the wardrobe, I already have kept my jacket over here.
Wow.
See, they also have an iron. You do not need to ask every time for the iron, so that is also really lovely.
All right.
Right?
Hangers they're also giving.
Definitely, it is must, right? So hotel is nice, at least room wise. It is very silent. There is no extra noise. I cannot hear anything from the outside. I cannot hear any neighbors. So overall, like the room is good.
और वर्किंग डेस्क, कंप्यूटर अगर आपको काम करना हो तो सेपरेट वर्किंग डेस्क. And now, do you think it's required to check the bed? How soft is the bed?
I know who is number one in checking the beds.
Definitely,
You.
I am.
You.
So let me check the softness of the bed.
Definitely.
So finally, bed check करने का टाइम आ चुका है कि बेड कितना सॉफ्ट है और
Ready,
and
steady,
Steady
and go. Oh, wow.
oh, so soft.
Really soft. Hey,
Yeah.
get up.
No, I don't feel like getting up.
Why? We have to go.
Oh, but bed is so soft.
So what, you prefer to stay here and sleep now?
हाँ, I prefer, but मैं दोस्तों से मिलना है. दोस्त are waiting.
Let's go then, get up.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Ding 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 ding. Knock knock.
Maybe they're sleeping.
Maybe they are sleeping. And here we have Krishi here.
Why are you wearing mask?
Hi, Krishi.
She's
My friend. Okay.
Okay. See, we caught them while they were sleeping.
Yeah, very different situation. Okay, finally हमें रूम के अंदर आने दिया गया है. So इस कृषि भाई, hi कृषि भाई.
hello.
And it's Archana.
Morning.
Sorry to disturb you guys. Great.
Just can't see without my glasses.
Okay, it's fine.
Yes, yes, just sleepy eyes.
So अभी हम जा रहे हैं एरो सिटी देखने. It just
Looks like as if you're somewhere else. It doesn't feel like you're so close by to Delhi.
yeah, and हमारे होटल से एरो सिटी जहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट एरिया है, इट्स वेरी नियर बाय वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस 5 मिनट्स. तो हमने डिसाइड करा है कि हम वाई वॉक ही जाएंगे. और सी एरो सिटी लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल.
So neat and clean, friends. There is no garbage. Roads are nicely maintained. Really nice, really beautiful.
और ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब अब्रॉड में वॉक कर रहे हैं. सो इट्स लाइक वेरी क्लीन. ये है एरो सिटी. कितना खूबसूरत बनाया है, एकदम फॉरेन कंट्री की तरह. इट लुक्स लाइक दुबई और सिंगापुर.
It looks very lovely. Okay.
या वेरी ब्यूटीफुल.
Even fountain. Let's have a walk.
Yeah,
because
center
there
में
are so
fountain.
many things to see. It's
Yeah.
very well maintained, friends. Really, if you want to spend lovely evening or nice day somewhere, but do not know where to go in Delhi NCR, you can come here very easily.
और बहुत ही ग्रीन और क्लीन है.
Designed very well.
The architecture looks like very nicely modern architecture they have made. और यहाँ पे cafes.
Cafes, bars, restaurants, all different eating joints. So for your all time is you can find food over here.
Yeah. Very beautiful buildings are here. So यहाँ पे कैफ़े है एक वन कम्यून, ढाबा और भी काफ़ी सारे फेमस कैफ़ेज़ हैं. So you can enjoy your evening here, have a walk. और नाइट में it looks very beautiful.
You saw bears peeping in the window. Check
Yeah.
out, check out, check out. Oh, the bear has wings also. That's interesting.
So nice. People are enjoying their coffee, afternoon coffee.
Oh, friends, it smells from everywhere. So tasty.
Very tasty smell.
Yeah, there are also different type of cafes. Even a central shop is there, so you can walk and enjoy.
सो एरो सिटी में एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल फूड कोर्ट बना रखा है जो रेगुलर फूड कोर्ट नहीं है. यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे शॉप्स हैं एंड कैफ़ेज़ हैं.
So overall, this place is very good to visit, and you can spend here whole day while walking, sitting, enjoying, and just spending nice time together or alone.
alone. और यहाँ लाइव म्यूजिक भी प्ले होता है. सो आई थिंक मोस्टली इन द इवनिंग्स.
This live music they are playing here regularly, I believe on weekends or on Fridays, not on weekdays.
So let's go, I think, and explore food court.
Okay, let's have a look. What is there?
और हम अभी फूड कोर्ट की तरफ बढ़ते हुए. सो क्लीनिंग चल रही है यहाँ पे सुबह सुबह. And this area is very clean and beautiful. See, looks like Singapore.
Yeah, looks nice maintained place. Okay.
Yeah, very beautiful place.
And if we would never find out this place if Archana and Krishi would not tell us about this place. We knew about this place existing, but we never thought of coming here because it's far, and we thought that what is here, what places are here, why to go so much far for just cafes. But it's not just a cafe, it's a whole new experience.
Yeah. और जैसा कि हमारा फ्रेंड के साथ गेट टुगेदर है, सो इट्स नाइस दैट दिस एरिया वी कैन हैव एंजॉय. ये क्या है? सो ब्यूटीफुल काइंड ऑफ ट्रीज.
All green area. That is worth to come here and to spend time. Believe me.
आई थिंक ये रोड के नीचे अंडरपास में इन्होंने इतना खूबसूरत डेकोरेशन बना रखा है.
You can sit here also. Right now, as you see, there are no people. It's all empty because it's a weekday. and plus it is let's say office hours, so people are still at work. But in the evening, for sure, it is full of people.
ऑफिस भी काफ़ी सारे हैं, सो आई थिंक पीपल विल बी कमिंग एंड ईटिंग फूड. और यहाँ पे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ हमने देखी है, A3 चार्जिंग स्टेशन. सो यहाँ से अपना पावर बैंक रेंट कर सकते हैं. सो ये सारे पावर बैंक लगे हुए हैं. सो अगर आपको फ़ोन चार्ज करना है, सो एक पावर बैंक निकाल सकते हैं रेंट पे, और घंटे के हिसाब से पेमेंट होती है जो आप रिटर्न करेंगे. वेरी नाइस टेक्नोलॉजी.
Yeah, it's very good. So let's go to see what is there inside.
सो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर द फूड कोर्ट. सो ये फूड कोर्ट की एंट्री है. व्हाट इज़ दिस? So they can measure your temperature also?
And yes, you have to come and see them measuring like this temperature.
Wow.
Very nice. And then hand sanitizer as well.
Okay, hand sanitizer also. So very modern technology.
Very good.
Nice. हमारा इंडिया काफ़ी ग्रो कर रहा है.
Friends, whoever tells that India is backwards, India is not developed or else, please do come to this type of areas and you will not regret. You will see that India is really has another side of the coin, that it is really developing and it's modernizing. The things which they apply in this type of areas are very good by quality, very good by design, and they are all up to date, they are all modern. So you will not regret, believe me. That's why before traveling to other countries, first explore your own country, your own native place, India, because you will be amazed and surprised what things India can afford and offer you.
और जैसा कि ये प्लेस एयरपोर्ट के जस्ट पास में, ये 2 किलोमीटर आई थिंक. सो यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर ज़रूर करिए, क्योंकि तो काफ़ी मॉडर्नाइज है, बिजनेस हब है. सो बिजनेस लोगों के लिए काफ़ी सारी फैसिलिटीज़ एंड होटल्स हैं स्पेशली.
That's true.
सो हेयर वी हैव नॉर्मल कैफ़े जैसे कि JNE आइसक्रीम कमेंटर्स एंड हाई डाइनिंग. सो लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल इनसाइड and they have made very nicely. So this cafe name is La Roca Indulge. और यहाँ पे फेमस रेस्टोरेंट है दरियागंज.
Turkish cuisine.
तो दरियागंज काफ़ी पुराना है, और they say that
They are the inventors of dal makhani.
Dal makhani.
So we haven't tried food here yet, but once we will definitely try. It also looks very nice and very beautiful restaurant.
और अभी ये ऑफ़र भी दे रहे हैं केसर पिस्ता कुल्फ़ी पे 99 ओनली.
Small fountains are also here, you see.
सो वेरी गुड. आप फैमिली के साथ आके आप आराम से यहाँ बैठ सकते हैं. दे हैव फाउंटेन. एंजॉय द एम्बियंस.
To be honest, here I don't feel as if I'm in India. It feels like as if I'm on some vacations, on holidays. It's 100% that feeling only.
एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग लाइव. इट्स अ बार. सो काफ़ी इम्प्रेसिव फूड कोर्ट बना रखा है, नॉट लाइक मॉल्स में जो होता है. हेयर फूड कोर्ट इज़ वेरी इम्प्रेसिव. सो डोसा खाना हो तो सागर रत्ना इज हेयर. देन देयर इज समथिंग टोक्यो टेबल. नाइस. बिरयानी लवर्स के लिए बिरयानी ब्लू.
The thing is that this area is very clean and maintained in so good way that you do not feel disgusting to come and to sit here. Like in some food courts, you feel very uncomfortable. But here you feel like you came to some very good place and you're okay to sit everywhere and to talk and spend your time.
गाइस, खाने के लिए हमने डोसा ऑर्डर करा है बिकॉज मी एंड इरीना बोथ लाइक डोसा, एंड सागर रत्ना डोसा इज़ अमेजिंग. यू कैन सी
Crispy.
so crispy and so beautiful. And you also like dosa very much, right?
I'm also today like a dosa.
Okay, so I feel very hungry, so let's eat. Finally friends, हमने डोसा खा लिया और डोसा was very amazing. और अब वक्त हो गया है जाने का. I'm sorry कि हमने आपको अपनी फ्रेंड्स का गेट टुगेदर पार्टी नहीं दिखाया. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड है हमारा फ्रेंड्स पार्टी देखने के लिए, तो राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि नेक्स्ट टाइम हम जब भी फ्रेंड्स के साथ पार्टी करने जाएंगे, सो वी विल डेफिनेटली रिकॉर्ड. सो प्लीज़ राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. और अगर होटल की बात करें, सो हम एलॉफ्ट में रुके थे. इट्स पार्ट ऑफ JW Marriott. बहुत ही खूबसूरत होटल है और देयर रेटिंग इज़ 5 स्टार.
But friends, now do not think like if hotels are of good class, of good category, then they are unaffordable. You can afford it because nowadays during to COVID and all, you see there are no tourists, so the hotels are quite cheap. They're giving like 50% discount or something. So you can try and check. There are many hotels in this area which are giving affordable prices, and their services are excellent. So I do recommend to come here, and the place is awesome.
और इसके अलावा अगर आपका कोई ऐप है तो यहाँ होटल्स में डेकेशन भी होता है कि आप 6 घंटे के लिए होटल यूज़ कर सकते हैं, रूम के साथ स्विमिंग पूल और बफे भी इंक्लूड होता है. सो बहुत ही रीजनेबल प्राइस होता है, लाइक 1+1.
Yes.
So you can come here, enjoy, stay in hotel.
Because see, sometimes you're tired of your routine, like doing the same things every day, cook, clean and all. Sometimes you need something fresh for your life. So why not to come and spend nice time with your family, with your husbands, with your boyfriends or with whoever. So do not think it is not possible. Everything is possible in our life.
Yeah, that's true. So Aero City मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आया. Feel like we are in abroad.
Yes, it's totally great feeling. It's as if you are somewhere walking, definitely not in Delhi NCR.
Yeah, that's true. So इसी के साथ हम आज का अपना वीडियो यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो जल्दी से लाइक करिए और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा हमारे चैनल को.
And don't forget bell icon.
बेल आइकन दबाइएगा ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिले हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो का. Right?
So friends, we will see you very soon in our upcoming videos. We love you so much. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support.
Bye bye.
Bye.